Best stock market apps. Stock market apps can be very impressive, and they can help you earn money very well. That being said, you have a lot of different stock market apps to work with, and the results you can get are pretty impressive. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 5. TD Ameritrade. This app will charge you $6.95 per transaction, but you can do both stock tracking and trading. It's also very good for real-time stock analysis, and the return on investment can be very impressive and a pleasure to check out all the time. Number 4. StockTwits. You get to learn a lot about the stock market updates and trending stocks with this tool. It also doesn't have charges. You can't do trading, but you can learn a lot about tracking, and the information you get is very accurate and to the point. Number 3. Bloomberg. Bloomberg gives you all the financial news, real-time stock quotes, and other relevant content. If you give them a try yourself, you'll find these to be very dependable and a pleasure to work with. Number 2. Robinhood. Robinhood is helping you perform stock market transactions. The value you receive is astounding, and the quality of service is unlike anything on the market. You are charged both USSEC and FINRA fees, but it's well worth the effort. And number 1. Acorns. Acorns allows you to invest as much or as little as you want. It's an app focused on investing, and it's really easy to customize and use. And you can adapt it to your own requirements. That alone, combined with the clear focus on delivering a great experience, is what really makes this an incredible app. Try them out, and you'll find these to be some really good and dependable apps with a great experience and quality for the money. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.